PrimeTween can animate anything with a simple line of code. Add camera shakes, juicy animations, and complex animation sequences, and improve how your game plays and feels, with a few lines of code. It's very easy to start using PrimeTween. Simply import it from Asset Store, open your favorite IDE, then type tween, press dot and choose the animation you need. PrimeTween can animate literally everything. Transforms, materials, camera properties, lights, and any custom field or property. PrimeTween animations are highly optimized and never allocate heap memory. You can create hundreds of animations per second with no performance issues or garbage collection spikes. For example, this demo scene with dozens of animations doesn't allocate a single byte of GC after the initial warm-up. The demo scene is included with the package, so you can play around with it and try it yourself. PrimeTween comes with a simple API, so you can start using it even if you're just starting to learn Unity. And if you're an experienced developer, the documentation covers all advanced concepts with examples, callbacks, delays, combining tweens in complex sequences, using tweens inside coroutines and async methods, integration with inspector, custom animations, easy migration from doTween. You name it. PrimeTween is simple, consistent, covered by tests, and behaves exactly like you would expect. High performance and zero allocations out of the box. Start using PrimeTween right now and make your game feel just right.